Hi, I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and it's time for another Front Porch Catwalk. And today I want to talk to you about traveling. Now, I am the first to admit I am not a big traveler. I don't actually like to travel, but I am heading out to visit my mom for her birthday, and that's traveling. So there are two things that I always do when I travel. And one of them is I have a packing list. This is critical for me because the last thing I want to do is get somewhere, even my mom's, and realize I forgot my dental floss, or I forgot my underwear, or I forgot my mom's birthday present. That would not be good. And have it sitting on the counter at home. The other thing is that I dress comfortably. And this is a really soft top I got from Soft Surroundings, and I'm wearing it with my white cabbie jeans. I know not everybody wears white jeans for traveling, but I'm only going to be in the car and then at my mom's. And that's basically what I do. I make sure I'm prepared and I make sure I'm comfortable. So whatever you're doing for traveling, I hope you have a wonderful time and that your travels are safe and easy and fun.